Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. My name is Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and I am back with a new recipe. We're making a delicious holiday ham. As a reminder, all ingredients and the full recipe is linked in the description box. Now let's get into it because y'all know it's about to go down. To start, you want to cut an orange into slices. I know you're probably thinking, what is this orange for? But honey, just trust me, this is a top tier ham. Now let's get our glaze together. Add some brown sugar, a little dark rum. This is optional, but it just makes it festive. Honey, pineapple juice. This is pineapple juice from the can of pineapples that we're using to decorate the ham. And Dijon mustard. Give it a good stir. This is our rum infused ham glaze. Pour this into a saucepan. We're gonna cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 and put your ham in a large pan. Using your toothpicks, you're gonna put 1 pineapple slice on, an orange slice, and then your cherry. You're gonna repeat that until the ham is covered in the fruit. Spoon about half of the glaze over the ham, and we're gonna put it in the oven for an hour and a half. Make sure you adjust your cooking time for your ham depending on the size. I used an 8 to 10 pound ham. If you're using a bigger ham, it's gonna need to cook longer. This is our ham after about an hour and a half. I'm gonna pour the rest of the glaze over the ham and then put it back in the oven for another 30 to 45 minutes. This is looking good already, y'all. It's ready to go back in. And our ham is done. Look at how pretty this ham is, y'all. Like, I just barely, don't even want to eat it. It's just so pretty. I transferred my ham to a pretty serving plate, and I'm just pouring some of those pan glazed juices over the ham. This ham is ready to serve. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. This is perfect for any holiday. Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever holiday you're having company over, even if you want to make this for a Sunday dinner, it's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.